guys, we are off to Munnar from Idiki. Going to America.
Don't! By God's grace, are we going for a boat ride just now? Are we going or we are directly going?
That is yet not decided.
Tell.
That's yet not decided.
If we are going to Munnar, then we will watch that movie.
Walkie-talkie. Hi guys, so we have finally reached Munnar and the resort. Just basking in the sun. The sun is just
दोनों से करो क्या तो लग रहा है उस पे जब आवाज लगाते हैं तो सुनो खाली
Hi guys! We just got done with the shooting. I must have uploaded the clips before, or I don't know if it's here. Okay. So yeah, we just got done with the shooting. It's past 6 and we're just going for a walk, like a brisk walk. You know, this place feels like Dalhousie or Kashmir, but it's beautiful. And these two people are watching me. These. Super excited. Super excited. See. We're just going for a brisk walk.
Where is mom? Call her on the walkie-talkie. Did you call auntie? One. Oh, you have to catch me. Papa is over there. Listen. Okay, come. Want to come. But how do I know how?
Where do you keep? You're not taking up the mountain. I don't want Mama. I eat my shirt. Hi guys, it's it's a new day and it's 7 a.m. in the morning. Like, I don't know if you can hear the bell or not. Like at every 7 this bell rings. So we're just going for a walk, like for a trek, like in the morning. There's a cliff over there, so we're going over there, and it's so cold. Like it's pleasant. It's okay. It's bearable, and yeah, we're going over there. Okay, I haven't bathed yet. That is why I look so messy. We just woke up and we are just going there. Let's go. I'm super excited because there are so many animals over there. Let's go. Hello. I'm so tired.
We're at the top of the hill. Was a cliff.
We saw an elephant.
Did we? No.
You did not see. There. Papa saw. Come, let's go. Try to do this. Yeah.
Perfect. 1, 2. This. Down. Yes.
I know how to do it. Hey yo, what's up, my dude?
We're going to the national park, the
Yeah.
golf course, and also
Yeah.
to trek, I guess.
Yeah.
Right? Oops.
The guy.
We just came back from the viewpoint. Now we are moving on towards strawberry farm. Let's go. Hi guys, we just had a lunch at the Dream Valley Resort and it's in Mattupetty. It's a place in Munnar itself. And we are just moving around, clicking pictures and whatnot. Look at this. Now you'll go back, I guess. I don't know. I don't know the plan ahead, but yeah. Let's go. And here we are in Kanan Devan Hills Plantation Company, which is in Munnar itself, one of the largest tea plantations in India. It was established in 2005, being the notable India's first employee-owned plantation company, with around 12,000 employees as the shareholders. The company manages extensive tea estates, producing a significant quantity of high-quality tea annually. KDHP is also involved in eco-friendly practices and sustainable tourism. We are going for night trekking.
Hi.
I'm
Yes.
super scared.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, we're going for a
Trek.
trek
In the night.
It's
and
9
it's
p.m.
9 p.m. and it's very, very scary.
We're taking this
These
gun.
guys are scared. We are even taking policemen. That's why I'm not at all scared. These guys are super scared.
Super scared. It's too dark.
Even
over
I
here.
have a gun, man.
Like,
Who's scared?
we cannot even see.
Even Papa's taking a gun.
I know. Are you ready?
Go. Snake!
Cook. Don't do that. Let's go. Hope to see you soon.
That's after sitting there somewhere. Oh. No, any ponda.
Honda.
Hi guys, it's a new day. It's 9th of March and tomorrow we are departing back. Like we're going back to Vadodara, Gujarat. And as you know, yesterday we had went to this place like the tea factory, also to the strawberry farm, the Kundale club. So everything here is just beautiful, and even the Kundale club, like it was started in 1918 and it was started by the Britishers. Okay, it was not started by the Indians. So it was basically started by the Britishers, and then they found a place like in the middle of the jungle. Then they started this plan. So like it was just beautiful. Everything was just colonized, like even this house in which we are staying in, this is a government guest house. But the infrastructure, the architecture is just colonial based. So it is just like the time of the Britishers. So it is just so actually beautiful. And I just love these sort of vintage house. So I have been loving all this. So yeah, we went to the Kundale club. Then after that we had went to the strawberry farm where we had plucked like fresh strawberries, and it was damn sweet. Yeah, the strawberries were grown in the form of tissue culture, so it was grown by that. Other than that, we had went to the tea factory, and that was the Kanan Devan hill plantations company. And the tea factory was just amazing. They had shown various processes which they have, like the withering process. Also, they have this CTC, like it's crush, tear, and curl. Like there are several companies which come to them, and they just blend 2 or 3 these flavors, and then they just take it for their own company. And then the story begins. We went for night trekking at around 9 p.m. to 10 p.m., like in between that. And that was just so scary. Like in the starting, I and Mama and even my mommy, we were so excited. Like, okay, we're going for a night trek, so that is going to be fun. But the way we stepped into the jungle, that was just completely creepy, scary, terrifying, pathetic, what not words I can use. Okay, but that was just so scary. Then I am sure I must have uploaded some clips, but yeah, I was not able to shoot everything because it was totally dark. We had seen animals, and by God's grace, like we are here, I'm talking to you. So yeah, everything was just fun, and this place reminds me of Dalhousie. I don't know why. Darjeeling and some other hill stations, because it is Munnar, it is the place itself. Heaven and earth, God's own country. And of course, I love hill stations more than beaches. So there it goes. So yeah, I've been loving this place, and I do recommend you to visit this place once you come to Kerala. And now we are returning back to Trivandrum today, like after an hour or so. And then tomorrow we are coming back, like we're going back to Baroda. So I'll see you once I reach Trivandrum, or we will be actually like taking a hold at Kottayam, I think. I don't know. But and make sure you see it. Okay? So I'll see you later. Bye bye. Hi guys, it's finally the day of departure, and I don't know, Actually, I really forgot to shoot like in the morning, and like we were such in a moment, you know, I and Rehan, like I and Hershey's. So like we just came along and we were sitting. We just had this quality time, the few last minute quality time, and of course because we're meeting again like in a month or so, so this will not be such a long, you know, separation, but anyways it has to be because, you know, leaving someone that you love, like not mentally, not emotionally, not from the heart but physically, makes a lot of difference. So yeah, we just came to the airport. We have our flight at 8:55. The departure is at 8:55, so the boarding will start around 8:30. And also we are traveling via Hyderabad, like via Hyderabad to Vadodara. So it was like absolutely hard to leave him, but we're meeting soon. You have to leave to meet again, right? So let's go back to Baroda and yeah, and see you soon. Bye bye. Finally, we are boarding. Going. We will miss Kuchu so much, and we will be meeting soon. Right? Wait for me, I got little legs. Hi. Hi.
Hi guys.
Where are we?
Hyderabad.
We have a layover of
3 hours.
3 hours.
Oh
That's...
my god. But then we're going to have lots to eat, and
Yes.
we're going to do some shopping,
Yes.
and we're going to enjoy the 3 hours
Yes.
layover.
Yes.
Bye bye.
We just got something from Minso. Just found a cute handbag. Like it's quite small, so Mama bought it for me. Minso has some cute stuff.
हाँ
We
बेटा
are finally home.
मेरा माँ बच्चों लाजू
हम लोग ने एक दूसरे को बहुत मिस किया,
हाँ।
पर अब मैं फाइनली आ गई हूँ. This is back home, and see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.